Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make street style chicken fried rice.
I've taken about 150 grams to 200 grams of chicken. In this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, or let it be less than 1 tablespoon, a little less than 1 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon of curd, 2 tablespoon of corn flour, and some salt. Now mix this well. Since it's a street style, I am going to add a pinch of food color. Let the chicken marinate for 20 minutes. I have taken half kg basmati rice. I have washed it and soaked in the water for 20 minutes. A wide vessel, I have taken 2.5 to 3 liters of water. In this I am going to add 1.5 tablespoon of salt. Now the water is starting to boil. I am going to add the rice. Drizzle some oil so that once the rice is boiled, it will not stick together. Now the rice has been boiling for 15 minutes, and see if it's coming like this, that means the rice is cooked. We don't want it to overcook. So quickly I'm going to switch off the flame and drain the water. Look at my vessel, it's full of holes. There should be absolutely no water. Now take up a pan that you're going to cook the rice in. Add sufficient of oil to fry the chicken. Now the oil is hot. I'm going to add in the chicken pieces. The chicken need not be crispy. It should be soft. That's how the chicken should look. I've removed it. Now in a pan I have added 3.5 tablespoon of oil. The same oil that I fried the chicken. This I've added 3 eggs and some salt, and don't use your hand, just keep stirring it. It need not cook fully. Just then when it's soft, I'm going to add 1 sliced onion. Once the onion changes color, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now to that I've added the chicken. I added a handful of beans, handful of carrot, and about 100 grams of cabbage. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and half a tablespoon of pepper. Look how it's cooked well. Now add some salt and add a tablespoon of soy sauce and mix this well again. Now I'm going to add the rice. Now in the last I am going to add a small capsicum which I have sliced it, and keep mixing this at least for 3 to 4 minutes without leaving your hand. In this stage, taste salt and add if you wish to add more. That's it. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame. That's street style chicken fried rice from Tamanna's kitchen. Do try and let me know how it turned out for you. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye.